Okay, I've got my little Ryobi Sawzall here, and I believe I've got a metal cutting blade in here, and I'm gonna cut. I'm gonna cut this off, and I may not. I don't think I'm not gonna cut it off all the way. I'm just gonna scribe it on both sides a little bit, and then I should be able to bend it back and forth a little bit with my hammer. And remember, I don't know if you saw the other video, and I was saying that the foundation bolt that I cut off with a hammer, it was down into the concrete in my walk area. I didn't remember them being as thick, and I'm right, because over on this other side, there's 3 huge ones. They're 9/16 thick in diameter. Right along there. Those are 9/16, but these over here are 7/16, and those are the ones that I was usually more aware of putting in, because I thought those other ones were awfully thick. I don't know why they have real thick ones like that. You just have to, you know, when you build something off a set of plans, make sure you get the right foundation bolts. You wouldn't want to put in the smaller ones and then find out after it's all done, have an inspector say, hey, you put in the wrong size foundation bolts or something. But anyways, I'm gonna cut this off. I'm gonna try to get it down low enough. I wish I had a longer blade, then I could get it down there nice and flat. As it is, I'm gonna have to kind of bend it down like that. Now, maybe I can bend this one down flat. I'm making a mess out of my blade, but hey, I got to get it down there flat, right? Come on. Okay, I can still use this blade next time. I just have to take it and bend it back. Not too much, but okay. Make sure you wear eye goggles when you're doing this, and I'm kind of set up. I got my gloves on, I got earplugs on, I got my goggles on, I've got my back support on, all that good stuff. Now, I'm hoping I can bend this with my hammer. If I cut it enough, I'm trying to stay out of your way. Ooh, maybe I haven't cut it enough yet. I thought I had enough, so I could bend it back and forth with my hammer. Boy, see, I've got it bent the wrong way now. I've got some channel locks. Maybe I can bend that up. Let me grab my channel locks here. Let's see what I can do about that. I thought I had it cut far enough. Really monkeyed that up, didn't I? Didn't I? Ooh. There. Look at that. Almost got it straight again. I might have to cut it. Might have to cut it some more. I thought I could keep bending. I probably could. Let's just cut it. Let's just cut it a little bit more. Hey, sometimes you're gonna have to cut off foundation bolts. And this is just the way you're gonna have to do it. Okay, I think that's enough. I'm gonna keep beating on it. If it was right in the middle of the bay, it'd be easier to get to. I didn't think this one was gonna be that difficult. I thought, yeah, I got enough room. Almost bend it off this way. Ooh, it bent a little bit. Okay, try it some more. There, I think it's going. I think I broke it off. I think I broke it. I'll get it here. See. Boy, I thought I had it. Look at that. Got her. And it looks low enough too. Okay. Whew. Woo. Oh. Boy, that took the breath out of me. Whew. That was kind of tricky. You see there? It's flush. And now I can put my 2x6s. I can put my 2x6s right in there, and I found some old 2x6s down here. See all this stuff? It should not ever be underneath the house. And here is a long 2x6. I'm going to have to, it's a little bit longer than where it started to split off, but I'm going to use that for one of them. And then here I found another 2x6 piece. That one just has to be shaved off just a smidge. It will fit right in there. Okay, so that's how I'm going to do that. I'll get my saw and cut these up, nail them together, put it in there, and you know, I don't have many nails on me, but I've been cleaning up down here, and I found some nails, you know, from a nail gun, and I can just split these off. These are just little plastic things, and I can pull those off. And I got my nails. Here's a couple other nails I can use. And I'm hoping to be able to nail that in because here's the thing. These 2x6s that are down here, which shouldn't be down here. They should have cleaned up before they put the floor down. These things are 19 years old, so they could be really hard to nail in. I may have to pre-drill some holes in the 2x6s or use actual sheetrock coarse threaded screws, pre-drill some holes and drill it in there and put it in with screws. I don't know. We'll see.